Y'all, I was just scrolling on Facebook, and we're a little bitty town in West Tennessee, and we are actually getting a gun shop, which is very shocking that the members of our, I don't know what you call them, community, county, I don't know, that would even let it come in. And I am shocked. And I am happy. We need something like that here. I mean, he's also, going to do gunsmithing and, things of that nature. And their grand opening is May 31st. And they are selling tickets to win an AR-15. And one ticket is $10. 3 tickets are $25. And I shit you not, somebody in the comments come under and says, well, how much are tickets? There's always at least one person. Sometimes there's more. That's like you sell something on Facebook and you're like, I have a blue recliner. It's cloth, very minimal stains, no damage, non-smoking, pet-friendly, $25, pick up in Alamo. What color is it? How much do you want for it? Where are you located? Did you say it was a recliner? People always ask the stupidest questions. And all you have to do is read what is up there. Now, occasionally I'll run across one where they forget to post it and somebody asks a question, and then they'll go in and edit it and put it back up there. But they don't say edited. They just do it and makes that person look like a dumbass. But 9 out of 10 times, everything you need to know about something is in said post. Just take your time and reread it as many times as you need in order to get it through.